tried to do, but we got into some error. But one part we have already done. Like same company code. If it is a different company code, what we have to do? So that partially we have done, and it is pending that we will be covering in coming classes. And pricing procedure. When we create a purchase order, how the condition will pop up. So that part is pending. That also we will cover. This all little large topic, so which we need more time. So that's why I kept it at the last. So STO setting, pricing procedure, and release strategy. So you remember you also asked how the approval will go when something. So that is also huge topic which we have to cover. So that is also pending. Under the inventory management, I think we have covered most of things like goods receipt and reversal, initial stock upload, cancel of GR. This part is already completed. Yeah, in goods issue also we have completed, like when we send the subcontracting order, how we receive it. We have to send a goods issue, right? So that part, and return order, vendor return. So most of things in inventory also covered. And here, you remember we were working on this part, plan to plan, store to store transfer using the 321 moment type, 301 moment type. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, if you have practiced, you'll be remembering it. So this is the stock transfer moment type, and transfer posting. This is pending, which I need to show you. If it is unrestricted, how to move to quality. If it is quality, how to move to unrestricted stock. This I'll cover. And physical inventory we have covered. You know, remember, I hope you remember the physical inventory, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so that part is completed. Yeah. And here, special procurement. This is invoice part is nothing but how to create the invoice using Migo transaction code, MIRO, Miro. And this is a special procurement. We have covered most of the orders here: consignment order, subcontracting order, return purchase order, pipeline order, blanket order. So all this we have covered.
That,
Okay. Yeah.
so
So
thank
now
you.
the pending, I'll tell you, this will take some 1 hour time. And yeah, this output we will cover today. Let me put 1 hour. And the release process is some 2 hours it will take, or more than that. STO setting some 2 hours, and pricing procedure. So these are something which we have to cover. Contracts 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
So
Any other
altogether, 10
questions?
around, yeah,
Yeah,
altogether on the
almost.
summarized 10 to 12 hours will be is left out
Yeah.
on the overall 10
7,
to
8.
12 hours.
Yeah.
And one more thing, they are requested, we have discussed earlier, ma'am, offline classes. Banu Shankar sir, can we have that offline classes on this Saturday? And Madan sir, can we have these classes on Saturday?
ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವರೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ.
Okay, madam, ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಒಂದ್
Next
ನಿಮಿಷ.
week.
ರಕ್ಷಿತ್, ನಾನು ಭಾನುವಾರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದು ಜಲ್ದಿ
ಮಾಹಿತಿ.
ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪಾಪ ಅವರು ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್.
ಹೌದೌದು, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು.
ಹೌದು.
ಈವನ್ ನಂಗೂ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಇದೆ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಬನ್ನಿ
ಅದು
ಬನ್ನಿ
ಒಂದಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕೋ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್, ಅದೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ತಿಂಗಳ ನಾವು ನೀವು ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್
ಹಂಗ
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ವಾಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ.
ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್, ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸರ್. ಅದು
ನಾನು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಭಾನು ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾನು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ನಾವು ನೀವು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಅದೇನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ.
ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಸೊ ಅದೇ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇರೋವಾಗನೇ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ನೀವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 hours ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನೇ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, SAP ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ದೇ ಟಾಕ್ ಟು ಯು.
ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್.
That they gonna do. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಸರ್. ಥರ್ಡ್
Okay.
ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಭಾನುವಾರ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ ಹಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಅಥರೈಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ SAP ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್.
ಹಾ ಹಾ ಹಾ.
ಸೊ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್, ನಾನೊಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೂಡ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
which is all included in your fees. ನಾನೇನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಈ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕಾಪಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಶೋನ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ವಿತ್ SAP ಲೋಗೋ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಥರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಬೈ SAP. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಒಬ್ಟೈನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ SAP ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ SAP ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. SAP ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು DSL ID ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದೇ DSL ID ಈ ತರ ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, DSL ID. ಈ DSL ID ಜನರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಇಂದ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ SAP ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ನಾನ್ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು PDF ಕೊಡೋದು, ನಾನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 1000 PDF ಗಳು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೇಟಾ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 year ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಐ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್. ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವ್ಯಾಲಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 year. ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ.
ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಗಲ್ಲ?
ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ SAP ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೌದು, ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಬ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ, learning.sap ಇಂದಾನೆ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂತೀರಾ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಗೋನಾ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಯು. ಅದು ನಾನು ಭಾನುಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಟುಕ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಟು SAP ವೆದರ್ ನೌ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಂಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಇನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So this is what we provide, the material and everything. Okay. And next thing, Sumitra ma'am, the contact details we are not sharing because of job thing.
ಫೈನ್ ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ, ಅದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ನನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ನೀವು 100 ಸತಿ ಯಾರು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೇನು ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದೇರ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಯು.
ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್.
Until you have better quality, I am there standing always back of your recordings and everything.
Okay, fine.
ಭಾನು ಅವರೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದು ನೀವು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಿತ್ರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸುಮಿತ್ರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಇಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? 19th?
19th, okay. I can make it, not before that. This coming Saturday or next Saturday, I'm fine.
ಇದೆರಡು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರು ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದಷ್ಟು 2 Saturdays ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನನ್ನ ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಸರಿ, ನಾವು ಭಾನು ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ.
ಡನ್ ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಐ
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್
ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಿಸ್
ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ನಂಗೆ ಡೌಟ್, ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವರೇ, ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ.
ಬಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು
Next Saturday ನಾವು
2 Saturdays ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್, ಹಂಬಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ಹಂಬಲ್
Okay.
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಸಾಕು ಬಿಡಿ.
ಅದೇ ಈ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇನೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಸರಿ ಇವರೇ, ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್.
Done. Done. Sumitra ma'am, thank you for your valuable support. Thank you so much. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, and you can continue with the class, ma'am.
Yeah.
I think Bhanuvare, you cannot. I think you mute madak agala. No problem. We can discuss later after the class. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. No problem.
Okay.
Thank you.
ಫೈನ್ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವರೇ,
Okay.
ನಾವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋ.
Done. No problem. No problem. Continue with the session.
Okay. Okay, Banu and so we are ready for the next class, right? Shall we start?
Yeah, ma'am, we can start, ma'am.
Okay.
But I will be not much concentrating, ma'am, because I'm the plant. That's the one problem I'm facing over here. So you can start, ma'am. If I'm not replying to your questions, don't be like what you can say. Chat for
What
that.
about Banu? Banu will be focusing.
I think he might be focusing. The problem is with this laptop, ma'am. Recently, he is facing that issue. I don't know why. That's what.
See,
Okay. You said you
ನನ್ನ
can
ಓನ್
continue.
ಸಜೆಷನ್ ನನ್ನ ಓನ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಏನು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬೇಡಿ. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇವನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಂಗ್, ದೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್. ಆ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಆಸ್ ಅ ಟೀಚರ್ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಿಂಸೆ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಒಬ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಭಾನು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು. ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು, ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ನಾನ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ನಂಗೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಬಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ನಂಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಯಾರು ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಅನ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನನಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋವರ್ಗುನು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂಥರ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ರೈಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸುಮಿತ್ರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ರೈಟ್.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್
ಯು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಲಿ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಗಿಂತ ಎಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವರ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನು 4-5 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ,
ಫೈನ್. ನಮ್ಗೂ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಅವ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಆತರ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಏನ್ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ, even I can understand what your problem is, but even I am also requesting from my side. That's all.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, I'll share my screen. I hope you both got some time, because even I was not well. Hope you got some time to do practice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Any doubt during practice time?
No, we are able to solve some of the problems what we are facing right now. But the thing is that we came to know some of the error is from the what you can say,
from
application.
Okay.
That we are able to recognize.
Okay, good. So, but most of our whatever top I said completed. Do you agree with me, right? Or if you think some topic you need again, I can take it, no problem.
Yeah, we agree with you. No issue. Okay. If there is anything, we will. Sure.
And also, see, you go. Generally, I'm just saying, see, okay. If you go anywhere, not here or any other institute, nobody will teach you 100%. And as I said, SAP is an ocean. Okay. So until you dig into that, you'll get to know more about what we are going to teach you is just a eye level, what all thing will be there. very basic, or whatever you'll be able to, once you go to any job, you'll be able to survive. Until you get more experience and more practice, you'll get to know more about that. Okay, every, not only SAP, everything is like that. Everything, once we learn, everything will be new, and we feel something we still not understanding until we get into deeply. Okay, that's why I always say practice, practice, practice. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you see, now also I'm already right now I'm learning Java. Do you believe that Java is a programming language, but I'm learning now to support, because I'm going to other next level. For that I need to learn this also, so for that I'm learning it.
No, actually, SAP doesn't mean Java, right?
No, 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 it is not required, that's what I'm saying. So
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
going
that's
as a managerial position, right? For that I might be handling different departments. Okay,
okay,
for
okay,
that
okay.
I need to have a knowledge. I'm doing a very big project. For that, good to have the Java knowledge also. So
Uh-huh.
I'm learning that. So along with you,
Like
I'm
it's
also learning new.
uh, no, it is a completely different thing, right? Actually,
Completely
it's not
different.
because
Not
uh,
at all. Different route, like left and right.
but I think the Java can be now you don't need to learn Java man, because of
No
AI.
need to
If
learn.
you,
No, exactly. See, the application, the
yeah.
project, what I'm going to support in South Korea, right? They
Uh-huh.
are built in the Java, completely based on Java. Okay.
Okay, okay,
For
okay,
that
okay.
reason, I'm learning. I know it's very
You have to
outdated.
adapt that. Okay, okay.
It's
Getting.
very outdated, but still, for that application, they have built in Java, so we have to learn Java to support that project.
Okay.
Yeah,
But because of AI, you no need to learn that also, I think. But you must know something about
exactly.
that. Must
Basic,
like,
good to know, because
uh,
otherwise you
yeah,
enter all those program in Chat GPT or something, you get
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
complete
You get
coding
I
details.
think
Yeah.
because
Oh,
Python is washed away by the AI itself. No? I heard
exactly.
that thing.
Yeah, yeah, you're right. You have a good knowledge of the technology. Very good.
Yeah, actually, that's what, man. At the beginning of the stage, I was not at all interested with coding, man. I was like having that thing. But now, yeah, AI
If
made
you
it
want to learn,
easier.
you can learn a Python also. Python also booming now, I guess.
Yeah, actually, Python, I have done course with Coursera just to know what is Python.
Oh, okay.
Then, then okay, I came to know it's a language to understand between human and computer. That thing I came to know. That's why we need it. But when AI comes, we know that thing. We need just English as a mode of language.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's like next level thing. So
Mm.
actually, but I don't know why for SAP and all, I don't know why they are not able to get it into AI. That's the one question.
Oh, that's what it's a process level, right? See, AI can
Correct, correct.
support anything if you want to learn, but this all process related. AI cannot do create order and all, right?
Uh-huh.
Creating the order, all
Yeah,
that manual setting, maintaining the
but
configuration setting. That,
okay.
yeah.
But I don't think it is like not a big task for AI, man. Because the way it is
Automation will
booming.
be there. Robotic automation we
Yeah.
have, where you put one
Mm.
data, okay, the PRPO,
Mm.
everything will be created by AI. Not
Mm.
AI, there is a robotic RPA, we call RPA.
Okay, okay, okay. Even
Once
man,
again,
your mail can be replied by this automation itself man, because of AI. Yeah, like you put every prompt rightly, like for this kind of mail, you have to write like this. You have to be polite. You should not be rude. You should appreciate that. And for this
mm,
kind of customers, you have to do. If you put that thing, whatever the reply, it will chat like a human bot.
yeah, yeah, true. It is
That,
completely, we can't even imagine what AI cannot do. It is like
actually,
it
yeah,
can do anything,
correct, man. Like that's
even
what.
like movie story, lyrics, everything.
Exactly, man. The
Yeah,
creating music, how it, I don't know how it
exactly.
is
Yeah,
able
yeah.
to.
Same music you sing
Because,
in a different singer's voice, it can do that.
that is auto tune, man. That is okay. That is by changing even because my
Mm.
one of my friend is a musician, and actually recently joined on January 10th.
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
he has a studio thing. He has good experience in this music and all.
Mm-hmm.
We once simply tried one AI app. Okay, just we created something a topic. We bought a song from ChatGPT. We named it as Chapri something,
Mm.
and it gave a good lyrics. Okay, it gave a good hook line, and we
Mm.
put it in that website. It
Mm.
created just good music, man. Like we were surprised,
Mm.
like how that creative field is able to generate by this machine. Like how it is able to feel those things with a
Yeah.
human. That is like, okay, text is
Yeah.
okay, fine. You will get a lot of things, okay, you do it, fine. But that music, uh, next level, like,
That's why we used to think that music is something sang emotionally with your node
yeah,
up
yeah,
and
yeah.
down, pitch up and down, everything. But now that everything is controlled by AI, it can do it.
That is human language, but now it is coming as a machine language, like, uh, that's all. Like, I don't know
Yeah.
what kind of stuff we can done by AI. That's all.
Good. Good. At least
If
we have to keep upgrade
you,
knowledge so that anywhere we go, we have to
yeah,
survive.
yeah, actually, main point is that.
Yeah. AI comes, whatever comes, it will keep coming. Lot of things in future, so we have to keep
Exactly.
upgrading, not to be
Correct.
lazy.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we can
Okay.
continue because if you go on speaking, it will never end.
Yeah, yeah, true. Okay, so
Yeah.
I think this is not very big topic. I think this is a small topic. Output
Fine.
determination. You remember you asked how the PO will be sent to supplier, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
through
yeah,
email.
so
You were saying.
yeah, this is a
Okay.
configuration setting. I'll show you how it has been done. You have to go to see whenever we
Okay.
go to SPRO, it is a configuration. So everything will not be in a configuration. Okay, there will be some in configuration. Otherwise, everything will be process side. So once you go to SPRO, there is a backend setting we have to maintain. Go to material management, purchasing, under purchasing, purchase order, under purchase order, messages. So why messages? Because we are sending messages to supplier. So that way you can say here, okay, output control. Under messages, output control. So after coming here, you have to click on the condition table. So we have three types like condition table, access sequence. This is a configuration setting. Based on this setting only, when you maintain in the front end again transaction data available, there also you have to maintain which vendor you want to send, whether you want to send via fax or you want to send via email. That setting is separate. Now what we are saying is the configuration level. So let me expand this. For the purchase order we are doing like that, we have a setting like for request for quotation for inbound delivery also we can do it. Right now let's see, as we are working on purchase order, we can do for purchase order. Before going to creation, I'll show you. Okay, creation of the condition table. Let's see if we already have something. 025, and we will create a new condition table which does not exist here. 25, 26, 29, 0, 31. 5 not 1. Okay. 5, 0, 5, 5. Okay. So condition table means under which combination you want to set up a message output type. So I want to set up based on the purchase order document type and for which purchase organization I'm sending and for the which supplier. So these are the three tables. So you like that you have many field which you want to set. Like if you want to set by plant, you can do that. If you want to set by company code, you can do that. If you want to set by material, you can do that. So for example, if I set like double click, it will come here. Okay, but I don't want the plant. I will just set only for this three. So I'll delete the plant. Okay, so like this. So here you have a different options based on this field. You can set the output type. You can also try that while you test it. You keep trying with the error and all, then you'll get to know. Okay, then enter back. Do you wish to save data? Yes. So it is a package details. So let's see what exists here. We'll take something. Enter, enter. Okay. So table 55 has been generated. Now, next you have to table has been created. Now we have to set the access sequence. So let me show you. So if you want to know more detail, there's a notes next to that. You can also learn that. So 0001 is the document type and this one. Okay. So just select this access. See here we have to maintain the table like they are table what we saw earlier. So they have maintained. So like that we have to maintain. So let me take copy this vendor I have done right. Copy. So I have to add this new entry 12555. Okay, and this is the field which we have maintained the access sequence. Also, I'll show you how this will work. Okay, done. Now go back. See, this is the fields like what we have done. Now save it. Already saved. So we have done the condition table creation and access sequence. Now material type. So click on the material type. So here you have a material type. So for example, always any company you go in is who has SAP, the standard output type they'll be using is NEO. If anything, apart from any of they're using something, they'll be having like different, like Z or Y in before N, or they can create with any other value. So this is called output. Oh, somebody has on. Think somebody logged into remote desktop. Somebody is using it. I hope not you both, but I don't know who's doing it. Hmm. Okay. Oh, some finance team, I guess. Okay, I think some finance student are using it, I guess.
No. Are you able to continue or what, man?
I don't know. I think somebody is using it. I'm not able to log in.
Fine, man,
Remote
no issues.
desktop. Should we
Let us see
continue
tomorrow.
tomorrow? Yeah,
Yeah, it's
yeah.
better, I
Sure,
think.
sure. Yeah, yeah. I'll just tell them not to use during the class time.
Okay. Now,
Okay,
this
then.
process is
Yeah.
for what? Like, why we follow this process for to do what? Like, just to.
Okay, this is see when we create a purchase order, right? So if you want to
Okay.
send the purchase order to the supplier or the vendor, the PO form will
Okay.
go. PO form is nothing but
Okay.
a legal document, purchase order.
Huh.
So that we can
Okay.
send to supplier via email, because
Mm-hmm.
while creating a BP, that is supplier, we maintain the supplier's email ID. Okay, to that
Okay.
email ID, when you create a order, it will trigger. Or you can also
Mm-hmm.
download and you can also send a copy to the supplier.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, no problem. I don't want to waste your time as it is not working. So we will connect back again tomorrow. We'll redo this again. Okay.
Okay. Fine. Nice.
Yeah, no problem. Please take rest. Thank you. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Thank you. Bye.